Alright, now we're gonna use it in the water with this big boy. You can see how it is in the water. The water's not too bad. Whoa. Oh my goodness. It's cold, man. Lucky I checked the outer thing, it was a little open, so it would have been a problem with the camera. But this one's, the GoPro, I have to have a different thing for it. I left that at home, so I'm mainly taking pictures with the GoPro and some of this. So, alright. Let's see. When we were in St. Croix, they had a really cool beach with lots of rocks. You could go swimming with those. It was kind of cool. So, it's cool. When it comes to cold water, man, I confess. I don't know how that looks. We'll see when I look at it like you do. We'll see. I know, if I didn't answer, I gotta go in sooner or later, right? The same way when I was in the pool. Forever to get in. It's still refreshing, man. Heck yeah. Cold. It's cool. You can tell the house is up on top of the hill up there. Those are kind of nice. The hunch is Donald J. Trump. I think he said it was over there that way. The hunch. Donald J. It's nice. Low ball by making the Playboy Mansion, you know. 21 or older, you know. For the time of my life. Be sweet. I think I'm just going to have to go for it, I think, right? Huh. Sooner or later, just going to have to. Sooner or later. It is salty, but oh my goodness. Don't know how good it looks, but it's really clear. But feels good. They also, this year, when we came here, they got these now. You don't have to worry about everything else. Gets you in and out of your room, and if you were all inclusive, we don't drink, so they have that too as well. It's expensive, but all you can consume alcohol and anything else. But yeah, tonight's the draft. See where all that ends up. Later on, this comes out. We'll be in the middle of football season. probably week 2 or week 3, I don't know, September. Week 1, whatever, so we'll see. Super Bowl 60. But yeah, it's a cool place. I think it was $35. $20 for the chairs. Had a nice breakfast this morning. Beautiful. I think that's P. Diddy's place. I don't know. We'll see. But this guy keeps him right along. There he goes. There's the waves. Can't bet on this, man. Just kind of hanging out. Oh, what a vacation. This is all about. Just hang out in the ocean and Caribbean and eat good food. I did have a Carib beer. It's an okay beer, but it's kind of fun. I love my favorite drink we had. I think we were in Vegas. And they didn't have any more vodka. We had a pineapple screwdriver. That was actually pretty good. I loved it, so. Nice. Go back underneath here. Yes, floating in the water. Looking forward to go to Lucas Bay. I've been before. We'll go there again. Tomorrow. We do the drive around, so we'll do some video of that 4-wheeler. Go to there's another beach he wants to go to. It's a Maho Beach too as well. So I'll do one there too as well. So there's always a lot to see. They have the big parade thing coming on, but we're leaving when that comes in. So on our last day here on Tuesday, we just kind of hang out at the pool, sleep and hang out, do a little nothing at all. So, oh my goodness, that's a nice property up here. I was told it was PJ's last time I was here, so I don't know. There's a building we came in on that we were working on. We were here 2021. Nothing been done to it. Concrete's up the whole 9 yards, so I don't know, get it. I don't know how that looks or not. So who knows? But anyways, so they're doing all their stuff, moving around. Oh, having the time of my life. 24th day of April, 2025. On vacation. That's what hard work is. You leave the house. YouTube 20 on, 4 off. I've been getting texts from douche about stuff going on. I'm like, I don't care what your crap is going on, that behavior. It is what it is. But a little deeper into here. A little deeper. That was a little deep right there. All of a sudden, I go down a little farther down. So I also, whoa! Again, if you don't feel the bottom, you're screwed. So, anyways, you can see it down there. See. I don't know what it looks like down there, but anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed a little swimming in the cold Caribbean, but it is what it is. I'm a Nancy boy when it gets in the water. So, we got other videos coming up when we go on tomorrow on the thingamajig. Hope you enjoyed the broad walk, the walk in, all the point and shoot kind of behavior in the pools. DB Little Bay, it's Calport approved, so we're gonna roll on to the next adventure. Go sit there and sleep a little bit. The guys will get about 3:30. So anyways, guys, from the outskirts, ciao.